Hello, I'm going to demonstrate how to upload materials from Internet Archive to Wikimedia Commons. And I'm using a tool called GLAMpipe, which is a very new tool. And I will show how currently things work in GLAMpipe. First, I need to make a query in Internet Archive. So I'm going to the advanced search, and I want to have space shuttle images by NASA. So I take space shuttle and title. There should be Earth in title, and critter is NASA. And it should be I'm interested of images. Let's put that Earth on description. Let's see what we find. So we found 977 images. Let's go back. Well, maybe we can go with this. So this is the set of images, and here is the query for this data. I need this. I copy this for GLAMpipe. Now I go to the GLAMpipe and I make new project, my space shuttle. Then I open it, and I always start with creating collection. This is basically the database for the data. Then I add source, and the source will be the Internet Archive. I click this, and now I copy this query from advanced search of Internet Archive to GLAMpipe, and I say how many records per page I will fetch. 50 is fine. Create a node. Then I must run this source node. I can say how many pages I want. I want only one page, so I'll get 50 records. And I run this node. And now we should have 50 documents in our collection. The next thing is that we must get details of these images. We only have here a collection creator, identifier, source, title, and so on. There's much more data available, and we need it in order to make downloads from this material. So I add here a lookup node. There is Internet Archive metadata lookup, and I just create it, and this will fetch the details of every record from Internet Archive. I can just run this, and this takes a while. As you can see here, that is fetching metadata from archive. I leave it running and I add a second node which is a Wikitext node. I must create a Wikitext for this upload process, upload to Commons. And here is transform Wikimedia. There's create Wikitext, and two templates currently, photograph and map. I use photograph, and the output field means that where does this node write the Wikitext in the collection. It creates a Wikitext field like this. So here we have fields, photographer. We can use creator. This is very rough version of sort of Wikitext node. This must be better in order to be good, but that will happen later. Title, we can find it here. Description is here. Date. So this metadata here is now that data that this lookup fetches for us, and there we can find I forgot what I was looking for. Date. There is date. Then institution, we could use the creator, and accession number. There's no. We could use the Internet Archive identifier here, and permissions. We can. There's no rights here. Okay, that should be. We should have field for permissions, and then there's source. There's EA details URL, which gives us the URL in Internet Archive, and categories. Well, let's use this collection, and we can category for all. We make a space shuttle test category for test upload. So now I can run this. I can also do a test. So as I said, this is not very good. There should be institution templates, for example, should be used. But now we have Wikitext, and what we also need is we need a Commons title. So what's the page name in Commons when the file is uploaded? And we can create it by combining fields. So I name this node as create Commons page name, and again out field is field that goes to the collection. I put it as Commons title. So Now I create a title by combining image title with date, and I also use this identifier. This makes sure that this is unique, and I can test. Okay, I run this node. Now in this collection I now have sorry, Wikitext here. I have Commons title, and I have what is missing is the actual files, and so we need to download something. The currently this works in a way that you must download all files to your computer, and then the upload happens from there. It could be also work in a way that it downloads one file, uploads it, and then deletes it, but this is how it works now. So I add a download node, and there's Internet Archive images. I can download thumbnails or originals. I download now thumbnails. I run this node. Now I can show you where they go. Under GLAMpipe directory, there's a project directory. There is my space shuttle, and there's a download, and this is the node. Download Internet Archive image thumb. So the thumbnails are here. So you can use thumbnails in order to check out that you have right files or something like that. But we also need the original ones. I create a new download node, choose original, and now when I run this will download the original files. This takes time, so I don't do it here. I have a project here where I have already downloaded files. Otherwise this is similar. There's source, lookup, create Wikitext, create Commons title, download images, thumbnails and originals, and then there's an upload node. So this is upload node, and I delete this and create a new one. Upload, there's the MediaWiki bot, it's a Commons file. Now you must give this upload file a file location, page name and Wikitext fields. And file location is downloaded original. This holds the path to file that was downloaded to your computer. Page name is that Commons title, and Wikitext is Wikitext. And this will write after the upload, it will write the URL to this Commons URL field. Great. And now we are ready to upload. So I will give my, and currently this only uploads to beta commons because things are not uh, very stable yet, and I want to upload only 2 files. Oh, now I can run. Can I show you what it's doing? So this is using the node mv bot. I think that was also written in Node.js. And let's see. Commons beta is not working very well right now. The files are quite big, so it takes time. I'm so this is the uploaded by, I'm not sure if this is the right file currently, but anyway, this is how it looks in Commons. The file name is the title plus date plus Internet Archive identifier. That's the basic process how it goes now. It's there are still some rough edges, but basically it works.